Hey there YouTubers and small business owners. Today we'll talk about monetization once the channel actually reaches monetization stage. How much can you expect to get paid from YouTube ads, and what it takes to actually reach monetization. Now I do have multiple channels. This is a channel that I've neglected for quite a while, our web development channel. It's connected to our business. Webacre.com is our company. We do web design, graphic design work, high quality websites, and I've just started posting more videos lately. You can see the increase in number of views. It's important to post videos regularly, so if you do that, you'll have success. Also, you can see on the lifetime chart how much this channel has been neglected. There was a time when we had about 100 some views on a daily basis, and then I just stopped producing videos. I was building my business. Now that my business is up and running and it's fairly stable, I'm going to be increasing number of orders going through, so I've started doing YouTube again and actually getting more clients from YouTube. But that's a bit of a tangent. Just want to show you that YouTube is a great tool to get clients, and you should definitely be using YouTube for your business as well. Now, going back to our initial question, what does it take to reach monetization? You can find that in the Earn button here. If we go to the monetization stage, we need to make sure that we are, we're reaching 1,000 subscribers, which is actually not that difficult to reach. So subscribe to our channel so that once we do reach this metric, you'll see what it takes to monetize. And also there are certain number of public watch hours that we need to reach, 4,000 watch hours. So they kind of go together. The other channel that we have that actually reached monetization stage, I'm going to switch account. We'll go to You Can channel. This is something that we're working on with my wife, and it's about gardening and how to take care of garden, stuff like that. So you can see we actually reach monetization with this channel, and we are getting money for it, which is extremely exciting. Let's have a look at the revenue. So the revenue for 28 days for this channel is $43. So that's the amount of money that you would be making once you reach monetization. You can see there's no revenue here, but as soon as we hit that monetization, which we got that on July 9th, we start making money. Also, being that it's a gardening channel, we're actually going through the season low right now, so the season is coming to an end, and you'll see that in the number of views. It will start to drop. It can get really low to about 50 views per day. Right now, at the peak of the season, we had 300 some views on a daily basis, so it does fluctuate quite a bit. But with this number of views on a daily basis, we're getting this much revenue. Is it easy to grow this? It's somewhat easy to grow, and it's somewhat hard to grow. And the trick here is to be consistent. You can see how inconsistent we have been with actually producing videos. So the goal now is to become more consistent and keep creating great content that people will watch. This number can increase drastically. It can go way high as 10,000 views per day. And the more views you get, the more money you earn. Another thing is that I want to bring to your attention on the content side of things. Let's filter it by views. Actually, yeah, let's have a look at the analytics side, and let's have a look at the content, the revenue. And over here, we're going to click on See More. This is kind of the breakdown of the videos and how much money they're bringing in. And all about black raspberry summer pruning is the video that's generating quite a bit of money for us. It has made $15. Now, it has done that, and it has played 2,400 times. So 2,400 times it was viewed, and that amounted to $15. Now I want you to remember this, because 2,000 views for a video to make $15, that's not a huge amount of views. And you probably have seen videos that have 1 million views. So let's calculate that. So I know YouTube calculates it for us automatically. We can see the numbers here, but let's just do it manually for the sake of it. $15 divided by 2,484. So this is roughly how much money we're getting per view, and then let's multiply that by 1 million. That's actually going to give us $6,000 in income if a video would reach 1 million views. So I want you to remember this number, because it makes sense to create YouTube videos, and it makes sense to grow channels. Now, what kind of content are we looking on YouTube? What kind of content is being produced on YouTube? There's a lot of controversial content on YouTube, and the more controversial the content, the larger the view count. And the larger the view count, the more money they will be making, and it is a significant amount of money. So if you're watching something on YouTube and you're seeing controversial content, conspiracy theories, stuff like that, there's actually math behind all of that. The math is in the amount of money that they make. And the more controversial thing that they will create, imagine, or come up with, the more believable it is, then the more people will watch it, the more money they will make. So a lot of videos on YouTube, they're actually optimized for money making. And it doesn't necessarily mean that a video is there to educate you, even though that it might seem like an educational video. So this is a bit of a behind the scenes look on why YouTube is exploding with controversial content. It's there because it makes money, and that's all that there is to it. YouCan channel is actually different. We're not making controversial content. We're actually teaching how to garden and showing our personal garden. So it's stuff that we picked up. I'm just criticizing the other YouTubers that are there strictly for money making and not really sharing anything of value to the public. But on the contrary, creating content that would actually distract person's mind and make them think about stuff that actually doesn't exist. Alright, so that was my 2 cents on the topic. Hopefully you found this interesting, and if you are going for monetization of your channel, it's possible. It's very much reachable. You just got to be consistent with it, and you'll get to the point when you'll be able to make money on YouTube. Check out some of other videos that I've made on the YouTube algorithms and how they work, because there's specific things that you need to take into consideration when you're making videos, and not all of your videos will actually take off. You've got to create a lot of videos for them to work, because you'll find that there's going to be one video that will drive a lot of traffic to your channel, and there are going to be videos that are doing absolutely nothing. So you've got to keep cranking out videos. Eventually you'll hit a topic that YouTube will pick up your video, and you will generate quite a bit of money on it. Thanks, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.